Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take notes in Google Meet. Alright, so I have already started a Google meeting right here, and if say for example I want to have a note taker here, the best way for me to do that is head over to the meeting tools right here, click the add-ons, and then we're going to look for Read AI. So basically what this is doing is we're going to utilize the power of AI in order to take meetings for us, or to basically get this or use this as a meeting note taker. So we can do this manually or by AI. So I'm going to click install right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click continue. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and sign up using the same Google account that I have right here. So click continue, select all, continue, and there you go. So I can then go ahead and click the start recording right here, and it's basically going to start transcription for me. So I'm going to go ahead and click start Read AI. Now there you go. So Read AI has now started working, and I can then go ahead and continue. So you can see here you're hosting an activity using Read AI. So yeah, that's how you're going to do it. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to add something on your own manually? You can definitely do that by clicking this one right here or adding this one right here. This is my note. Yeah, I can then go ahead and do that one. So yeah, again, everybody, there are two choices. It can be done by AI or done by you manually. So the choice is yours. That is how you're going to take meeting notes here in Google Meet.